I have a Simpson eziset 950. It is flashing an F code and beeping. I think I can smell electrical smell. Is this the motor burning out? Is the cost of replacing it expensive? The fault code F means motor fault. Sometimes this can be caused from using too much soap powder or the wrong type. Should use low suds front loader detergent in these machines. The motor overheats from trying to sense the load and hence the F fault code shows up. Turn the selector to drain and spin and pump out the water and spin the machine if it will allow you to do this. Then power up and retry the wash cycle from the beginning and see if it works properly again the second time. Use less powder and or low suds detergent if you keep getting the F fault code, then yes, the motor is stuffed and will require replacing. I would not bother replacing the motor. You're looking at close to $300 for parts plus labor on top as well. You can buy a new machine for $450 with 2 years warranty, and this would be a much better way of spending your money if the budget allows for it.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.